welcome to Greece. History still breathes. High above Athens, the Acropolis greets the rising sun, just as it has for over 2,000 years. This is Santorini, white villages carved into volcanic cliffs, crowned with domes as blue as the Aegean itself. Every sunset here feels like the first one ever painted. Lose yourself in the narrow alleys of Mykonos, where whitewashed walls bloom with bougainvillea and ancient windmills stand guard over the sparkling sea. Hidden between towering cliffs lies one of the world's most famous beaches, Navagio, a shipwreck resting on white sand, in water too blue to be real. Greek cuisine is a celebration of simplicity. Golden olive oil, sun-ripened tomatoes, and honey that tastes like sunshine. Every meal here is shared with the sea. In the heart of Greece, monasteries float between earth and sky. This is Meteora, sanctuaries built on pillars of stone, closer to heaven than anywhere else. The ancients believed this was the center of the world. Delphi, where kings once climbed these mountains, seeking answers from the oracle. On the wild shores of Crete, nature painted a masterpiece. Balos Lagoon, pink sand melting into turquoise shallows, untouched and unforgettable. Step into a living fairy tale. The medieval town of Rhodes, where knights once walked and every stone still tells their story. But the true soul of Greece lives in quiet moments. A fisherman mending his nets, a coffee by the harbor, and time moving a little slower. Set sail across the Aegean, where islands drift on the horizon like ancient legends, and freedom feels as endless as the sea. As night falls, Santorini begins to glow. Greece isn't just a place you visit, it's a feeling that stays with you. So, when will you answer its call?